beautiful goddess, welcome back to my channel, Helena's Alluring Makeup. Today I have a fantastic video for you guys. It's on Normani's Waves makeup look. Yes, she inspired me to do this makeup look, and let me tell you, she was giving me life in this video. When I mean life, she was snatching my lashes and my eyebrows. I was like, oh, girl, don't do this to me. And she did. She did it to all of us. She was giving visuals. She gave graphics. She gave dance moves. She gave it all, honey. She gave it all. She put her blood, sweat, and tears in that video, girl. People are even saying that she is the new Beyonce. Maybe. I see you, girl. Keep doing you. You never know how the universe works. But yes, guys, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe at the end of this video. Tell your cousins, your aunties, your friends about me. About me. Hey, hello. I love making friends. But yes, don't forget, and I hope you guys enjoy. Bye. The first step is the eyebrows. Right now what I'm doing is I'm using my spoolie just to brush my eyebrow hairs upwards. Then I'm going to use my Gabriella pencil from my local beauty supply store, just in slight strokes, and slight motions and slight strokes, just so the eyebrow hairs look realistic. Now I'm doing the same exact thing for the front of my eyebrows, doing the slight strokes, but making sure that it doesn't look too harsh in the front. Taking a second to look at the actual photo. To conceal my eyebrows, I use my Milani Conceal Perfect in the color Warm Almond, and also my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Fawn. Now I'm using my concealer just to shape up my eyebrows. People say, you know, girl, why do you use so much concealer? I say, to cover up all of those problem issues. Yes, we gotta get those eyebrows looking sharp. Honey, sharp. Cutting, people. You know the routine. You know this. So I'm using very light strokes, even strokes, just so it can look straight. While concealing my eyebrows, I also conceal my eyelids. It's Fit Me time. Yes, I use my Fit Me foundation in the number 360, and I also mix it with my concealer just so it's not like too dark or too light. Look at that. Yes, sharpen that up. Now I'm using my Juvia's Place Nubian 2 palette in these two tones, and look at that. Blend, blend, blend. I'm using my Ulta eyeshadow brush. Now I'm using Sheba in the same palette, just so I can get that same eyeshadow color that she had. For the glossiness, I'm using NK lip gloss in chocolate for that same glossy eyelid that she had. NYX Final Eyeliner is the eyeliner of choice today. I'm using my Fit Me 360 foundation as my all over face foundation, and I'm using my Heavenly Luxe brush from IT Cosmetics. to conceal under my eyes, my cupid's bow, and my chin, I'm using my MILANI Conceal Perfect and Warm Almond Concealer. Then I go over that with my LA Girl Concealer in Fawn. Using my Real Techniques Expert Face Brush, I just blend out my concealer. For contouring, I use my Black Radiance contour stick or concealer stick in dark. It's contour time. I'm using the other side of my Heavenly Luxe brush to contour my nose. I'm using very gentle motions doing this, making sure that everything is well blended. Another brush that I love to contour with is the Real Techniques contour brush. Girl, flawless. Two baking powders I'm using today is from Makeup Revolution. One is called Banana and I don't know what the other one is called, but it will be in the description box below. I use this to set under my eyes, my cupid's bow, my chin, and under my cheekbone at times. Make sure you brush away any extra powder or powder left over after you bake. For my all over face powder, I'm using my Black Radiance pressed powder in the color Ebony. Alright, here comes the fun part. You know I love to blaze and glaze. You know I love highlighters. I'm using JUVIAS Place Nubian highlighter today. It's a loose highlighter, so a little goes a long way, baby. First, I'll be using Gabriella's brown liner as a base. Lipstick of choice for this look would be Driftwood by MAC Cosmetics. Then I'm lining it with Ruby Kisses Ultra Easy Liner in Burgundy. The same gloss that I used on my eyes, I'll be using it on my lips as well. In the video, she had a very dark-eyed, mysterious look, so that's why I applied this black eyeliner at the bottom of my eyelid. Then I apply a little mascara and eyeshadow to match the look as well. Now it's time to fly away into another universe with Helinda's alluring lashes. The lash style that I'm using is Lash Aphrodite. As you know, this look is inspired by Normani's Waves video. So it's only right that I wear my signature finger waves. I'm just gonna touch it up for y'all. Goddesses, if you made it all the way to the end of this video and you liked what you see and you support WOC brands, make sure you go to helenasallurimakeup.com right now to purchase your set of lashes. Yes, we have all types of styles. We have natural, dramatic, semi-dramatic, many styles. But also, there's a limited supply because they're going quick, ladies. They're going quick. Actually, let me just show you the packaging. Let me show you how wonderful this all looks. Fly away into another universe with Helenda's alluring lashes. Boom. I had to show it to you. But you're going to see it for yourself once you get it in your hands, honey. Once you get it in your hands. So don't forget, it's helenasallurimakeup.com to purchase your lashes today. Also, I have everything in the description box below. Everything that I use in this video will be in the description box. And thank you for the support and be on the lookout for future videos. Love you.